Okay, it's been a long time since I did this, but do some bottom bouncing out here in like 30 feet. Hopefully we catch something pretty good. And we got some crabs to catch some other fish too, so let's do some deep water fishing. This year's a repeat of last year. Any day now, a lot of the stuff I might like to jig is gonna get covered in flounder. All right, 25 feet. Let's see what we got. Show me the money. All right, that's 3 drifts jigging the white profile. No good bites to stick. All right, caught a grand total of nothing on the lures so far. Fiddler crabs are producing the old oyster toadfish. But not all is lost. Not yet, at least. Looks like I got something different. I think it's a drum. It's a sheep, it's a big one. That's a drum. That's a drum. Ooh. Oh gosh. Sleigh ride, dude. This fish ain't budging much. It's about as heavy as we're going. We had a hit there, so it's something large, I'll tell you that much. Okay, come on up. It feels bigger than the bigger than a lot of stuff I've been catching. I don't know if I have a lip gripper with me. For some reason I forgot that. Oh gosh, under the kayak. Bull red. Big red, rather. Not that big, but he's big. First bite. This was on a fiddler crab. Almost got him, almost got him. Okay, it's a high 30-incher or so. All right, well, that's not gonna work. Wish I had a lip gripper. I don't know where I put mine. Good fight. All right, let me be quick. Okay. Yeah, that's a healthy one right there, man. Yep. Okay, buddy. Looking for sheep's head out here. There can be some very large sheep's head this time of year already, so let's try to get another crab on there, see what happens. So in a situation like that, no lip gripper, your net's too wimpy, grabbing them behind the gill plate, not in the gills, behind the plate is the spot to go. Toadfish are relentless out here. Oh, that's something different. It's not a toadfish. Doesn't feel like it's anything large though. Black sea bass. BSB. Sea bass. Yeah, I gotta be 13 inches, but you never really see that here. It's an off the beach thing around these parts. Sea bass again. Oh, that's the other sand bass, huh? Yeah, sand bass. Right now I'm just working through a bucket of fiddler crabs I have. There's a couple mud crabs in the mix there. I've got some fish kind of scattered here. I saw a few spadefish go by. They didn't look very large, but that could be what I'm marking up on the screen right here. There's a few fish. I think those could be spadefish. Sketchy looking clouds are forming on my head here. This jig's 1 ounce, so it's perfect for 35 feet here. Really just slow controlled drifts here. That's all I'm doing. Jeez. Mackinaw shadfish here. We're gonna lose him. He's got me over some gnarly stuff, man. Oh. Another drum. We're gonna find out right now, I think. This one's smaller than the last one, but it's a red. It's gotta be. Awesome. This one on the jig here. Need a 26 incher for dinner. I think this guy's definitely over, unfortunately. But yeah, he's without a doubt over. Mackinaw. Yeah, that's a good one. Fat one too. Probably like 29, 30 inches. No need to measure him. Alright, one red on the crab, one on the jig. Let's see if we can do anything else here quick. I don't like those clouds that much, honestly. Run back on the shoreline, grab some more crabs. I don't know, I've got some clouds that I'm gonna see if they develop into something. come back out here, you know, eat some shore lunch, or maybe I'm gonna relocate. I think I'm gonna decide based on what this weather wants to do. All right, I managed a few more crabs in the mud. Did find my lip grippers though. Let me try to see if we can get something else. So we know there's drum here, but there's gotta be some sheep around. Yeah, that cell blew through and got kind of rough out, man. See bass. Oh, there he is. Look at that giant. All right, not the one we're looking for, but hey, means they're here. Can't go home empty-handed. I'll be in big trouble. Come on. Big trouble. Talked up the fish game before leaving, saying fish, we'll have some fresh fish. Oh, not another one. I guess we gotta change spots. Yeah, I think we gotta change spots, guys. Oh gosh. Come on, Vanford. Come on, Vanford. I do like this 13 strand braid I've put on here. It's very sensitive. Usually don't catch this many big reds where I'm fishing. Usually one or two here and there, but three is definitely a crowd. Well, at least we got the grips. Oh gosh, dogging me, dude. And this current, this ain't no joke, man. Oh. Pull me everywhere, man. 2 miles an hour against backwards, you know, it's not a great feeling. There we go. Whew. How are we not done here? Yeah. Dang, this thing is going. All right, let's end this one. Try to end this one rather. Jeez. That's a nice drum there. One drum, two drum. That's a big one. Okay, that's it. We're done. We're done, pal. 1-0 hook did it. Oh man, it's a beautiful fish right there. Ooh, and it almost looks like the same one from before. What a giant, man. Maybe it's bigger, definitely a bigger one. It's a big fish. All right, let's get you down there. Quick plunge is usually better. All right, if we get one more there, we're gonna change spots. Water's not that warm yet, but I don't think I'm gonna catch anything for dinner there. It's the problem. If we're covered in a big red drum like that. Yeah, I think we're gonna go up inside. Just fishing single fiddler crabs, man. Got a 30-pound leader to a barrel swivel. Use a barrel swivel because I break off a lot. And that's 20-pound Suffix 13 strand braid on that Vanford 3000. Feeling pretty small out here. This guy's going pretty quick, fast actually. Out of here because this wind has made this pretty much impossible for me. Come on. Hitting like a lot of little chunks and they're all just covered in oyster toadfish. That's something different. There we go. There we go. I'm just gonna have to find where these crafty fellas are hiding. They bite pretty quick. It's like you find the rocks or two, you're on them. That's a good one. Perfect eater size too. Whew. Let's see. Perfect. Knew they were there somewhere. That's what we're after, man. A couple of good sheeps for dinner. All right, between the conditions and the drum that are I did get one on the jig and two on fiddler crabs, so I'm staying away from lures. Trying to get a couple of sheep's head for dinner, and I guess that's a good problem to have, to not be able to get through the drum, but that's the first one, so let me get him in the cooler. So that's not bad, probably like 20 incher or so. So I think I got to change spots here. The wind and current are working completely opposite, so my line's going this way. For the drum, it's okay, but to try to feel a bite of something like a sheep's head, this is going to be hard work. I'm gonna hit one more drop here, and then yeah, let's go find some easy sheep's head. I like fishing deep. It just feels kind of cool, you know. It feels very mysterious, but this is not going to be easy. So let me go somewhere where this is going to be a lot easier, I think. So it's cool to get 3 drum, but it's not what I'm after. Then I'm going to try to salvage my last couple hours of daylight. Hopefully no more storms are going to form, but yeah, that wind sucks right now. Typically put back the larger sheep's head. That fish was a 20.5, so it's about as big as I typically like to keep. After 6-7 pounds, they start to get pretty large and pretty old. So I think they're the type of fish, as long as there's really abundant habitat, and as long as habitat isn't destroyed, they should be plentiful. But as long, there it is. The main point though, you know, you need habitat and a lot of it. Water temps are, you know, still in the low 70s. Check the video's description, links everything used. Also check today's video sponsor out. It's Waterland Co Sunglasses. Make an excellent pair of glass lenses for long days on the water with bright sun and more storms. I guess. Summertime, man. Sneaking out in between thunderstorms. I gotta love it. So, all right, guys, as always, I appreciate everyone watching. Let me get out of here, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.